To use EveryDollar offline. Start by downloading the EveryDollar app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. The app allows you to track your expenses and stay on top of your budget even without internet access. First, make sure you have the latest version of the app to ensure you have the offline feature. Open the app and navigate to the budgeting section where you can add new transactions. Since you are offline, any transactions you add will be stored locally on your device. To add a new transaction, click on the plus sign and select the category and amount of the transaction. You can also add a description and choose the date of the transaction. Once you have added all your offline transactions, the app will sync them to your account when you go back online. It is essential to regularly sync your data to ensure your budget is up to date. To do this, open the app when you have internet access, and it will automatically sync your offline transactions. You can also manually sync your data by going to the Settings section and clicking on Sync Now. Best practices for using EveryDollar offline include regularly updating your budget and tracking your expenses as soon as possible. This will help you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions. Additionally, make sure to sync your data frequently to avoid losing any transactions. In conclusion, using EveryDollar offline is a convenient way to track your expenses and stay on top of your budget, even without internet access. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the app offline and make the most out of its features. Remember to regularly sync your data and update your budget to ensure you have an accurate picture of your finances.